Let's go.
Yo, what up, Wave Gang? Is coming to you live. You see me?
Live.
Yo, that's Ron. That's Ron. That's Ron.
What's up, Wave Gang?
Wave Gang.
Y'all know the camera guy.
That's T. Yo, let's take a look real quick. So we kind of dropped the ball as per usual. We left the camera. So I did a lot of demo yesterday. This was a bed. It had a wall. We're gonna mulch it. I mean, we're gonna sod it. But let's take a look real quick at what we've got going on.
Let's go.
Tomorrow. You can see over there, but Baby Junior, a little overweight, but
we out here.
Okay, so we got this beautiful little landing that's going to be transformed. We're bringing it out a total of 13 feet, about like 9 feet. We're going to do 2 steps, all Techo-bloc mini Creta, and then we have a wall that was over here that was a slate wall that is now going to match the landing. So we're gonna, it's like 35 feet around, 14 feet high in the highest part. So we're gonna wrap that bad boy over there, and then we're gonna mulch everything, give them some spring flowers for Easter. Happy Easter coming up on Sunday, when this will probably be dropping, hopefully. Hopefully. But yeah, we weeded it yesterday. We sprayed all the beds, so ready for mulch. We're gonna tackle this shit. Anything you want to say, Ron?
Let's top this salad, baby.
Let's top this salad. What up, Wave Gang? Is coming to you live. My man T and Ron got one of the pouts off. Take a look. Digging down real quick. We hit some irrigation, so we got to do some finagling. But so far, so good. Pretty simple. So I'll time lapse this so you can kind of see the process. My man doing their thing, and we'll go from there. Wave Gang. What up, Wave Ganger, coming to you live. All right, a lot of time lapsing today, but let's take a look. Right now I'm just doing some landscape lighting. Got the Vermeer filling up this dumpster. We got our modified, got some stone dust. T and Ron are back from mulching. We're prepping this whole area out. We're about to start digging this out for our landing, and we got the wall coming together. That's our final course. We're gonna put a cap on it, but look at that. Woo! Looking good. Looking good. Brian's got some weird tattoos. That's all about to come out.
Yo, yo.
All right. Alrighty guys, thank you for watching. Part 2 coming very, very soon. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry for all the time lapsing, but we're getting there. Wave Gang, let's get it.